Hello, East Ramapo. As we start the 2024-25 academic year, our district is rolling out critical initiative focused on the safety of our students as they travel to and from school each day. We're stepping up efforts around school bus safety thanks to a strong partnership with key community organizations: the Ramapo Police Department, the Spring Valley Police Department, the Rockland County Department of Health, the American Automobile Association, and New York State's Department of Motor Vehicles. Together, we are providing extensive school bus safety training throughout the district, focusing on the critical role proper behavior plays on each and every day on keeping everyone safe. The team of dedicated professionals is coordinating bus safety drills, organizing bus safety fairs, and speaking directly with our children about passenger and pedestrian behaviors. East Ramapo is also conducting mandatory training sessions for our contracted drivers, and we're adding new safety teams to provide enhanced oversight and support. Now, let's take a look at some of the key bus safety tips that our law enforcement partners are sharing with our students.
Hey there, let's talk about some important tips to keep you safe while riding the school bus. First off, always try to get to the bus stop a little early. This way, you're not rushing and can catch the bus right on time. While you're waiting, be sure to stand back from the street, ideally on the sidewalk if there is one.
Now here's something you need to remember about the bus lights. There are two main colors, yellow and red. When the yellow lights flash, it means the bus is slowing down, so cars nearby should start to slow down too. When you see the red lights, that means the bus is stopped. You'll also see the stop sign swing out to let drivers know they need to stop. Wait until the bus is stopped and the doors open before approaching the bus.
Before you cross the street, make sure to make eye contact with the bus driver and wait for their signal before moving forward. Before you step toward the bus, take a quick look left, right, and then left again, just to be sure no cars are coming.
If the bus driver beeps the horn, that means you must go back to where you started and wait for the driver to signal you again. Always be mindful of the danger zone around the bus. This is the area right next to the bus where the driver can't see you well, so it's best to steer clear of it. And never, ever cross behind the bus. If you drop something near the bus, do not pick it up. Tell the bus driver instead.
Now let's talk about staying safe when you're on the bus and respectful while riding the bus. Remember that no one should be standing in front of the white line near the driver. It is important to keep that space in that aisle clear.
Once you find your seat, stay put for the whole ride. Switching seats while the bus is moving isn't safe.
Also, keep your head, arms, and anything else inside the bus. We don't want anything hanging out the windows while the bus is on the move. Talk quietly on the bus and do not distract your bus driver. When it's time to get off the bus, here's what you'll need to do. As soon as you step off, make sure to move away from the bus and get out of the danger zone. That's the area where the bus driver might not see you. If you need to cross in front of the bus, don't forget to make eye contact with the driver. Wait for them to give you the signal before you cross.
Here in East Ramapo, we believe that when we work together with our community partners, we can create a safe environment for all our students. Thank you for your ongoing support and commitment to keeping our students safe. By working together, we can make sure every student arrives at school and returns home safely each and every day.